Natural resource. In previous lesson we learned water is a natural resource. We get water from rain. Along with us, all other living things uses water. So we must use water economically and save for future. River bunds, wells, dams are some sources are safe water. Start new topic, water safe for drinking. In this topic you are going to have many activity which you are going to perform at your home. In this lesson we are going to study substances that they dissolve and the substances which cannot dissolve in the water. Second, things that sink in water and the things which floats on the water. Let's start. Take a glass full of water, add a spoon sugar full of to it and stir it well with a spoon. What changes do you see? You can see the sugar in the water. Well, I hope so. No. Now you are going to do the same experiment, taking many substances from your household. But before you do the next substances, you have to wash the glass clean before experiment. Every time you take the next substances. Okay, students, so let us start and you have to see the changes what is taking place. Other substances which you are going to take are as follows: oil, salt, powder alum, washing soda, sawdust, honey sand, turmeric powder, wheat flour. Children, what do you see when you dissolve all substances one by one in the water? You will find that sugar, salt, washing soda, all this appear in water. That means this dissolve completely in the water. You cannot see them in the water, but you will notice that substances like oil, sand, sawdust and turmeric powder, they do not disappear and even stirring. They do not dissolve in water. This means that some substances dissolve in water while some substances do not. The substance dissolved in water spread throughout the water. When salt dissolves in water, the water in the container tastes salty. Isn't it, students? While sugar dissolves in water, the water tastes sweet. Children, now you are going to learn new term, solutions. When a substance dissolves in water, a mixture of that substance and water is formed. This mixture is called the solution of that substance. Here in the picture, you can see two different things. We are taking water and sugar. But when mix sugar and water together, we get a new thing. What is that new thing? Things we get sweet water. This sweet thing we called a solution. Understood? Students, if someone gets loose motion, we give them a solution. It's called ORS, that is oral rehydration solution. A patient in hospital is sometimes put on saline, that is on a solution of salt in water. Sometimes other medicines may also be given through saline. These are examples of useful solutions. Students, let us do one more activity. Take a basket half full of water. Collect things like pencil, ruler, nail, coin, steel spoon and sharpener. Put things in water and see whether each of them sink or flow. Pencil float on water, scale float on water, Coin sink on water. Still spoon sink on water. Ring sink on water. Nail sink on water. You can observe some things sinks on water and some things floats on water. So students, what you learn from this activity? Things like eraser, sharpener, steel spoon, nail, coin, ring, sink in water. While the other things like pencil and scale float on water. Some things float on water while some things sink in it. The things that float are lighter than water. The things that sink are heavier than water.